be specific to what you're saying. The same thing should go to your thumbnail. Let the people know what they are going to get inside the video when they watch that video. Your thumbnail speak it all. Video thumbnail is like the most quick influencing algorithm. You know, that YouTube channel that everyone or visitor, when they come to your video, pop up immediately. Anything that pop up, they will try to, you know, click it, because in your homepage, that is where everything search results come in, right? Example, when you open your YouTube channel now for the first time, you will see other people video have popped up on your homepage. So it's the same thing. The more your video is pushed out, the more your video will pop up on other people's platform, on other people's device. And if they're interesting, those visitors will click it, and those visitors, they will turn to your main subscribers. Hi Rosa, hi. Thank you so much for coming, Siri. How are you? I'm from India. Thank you so much for joining. How is India? I am from South Sudan. How is India today? So, as I was saying, that it's very important that you should do the right thing. Thank you for joining. Please make sure that you give a beautiful like, beautiful thumbs up, click the video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So those are the way that you can grow your YouTube channel, okay? Those are the way that you can be able to grow your channel without any having issues or without having any struggle, and bam, you can get that quickly by you doing those things which I just told you now. Unless you are someone who is really lazy, who don't want to take time to look into their studio or to look into their channel and automate their channel. Okay, so what do you need to do is for you to have a good thumbnail. Have a good thumbnail, and then it's very, very okay for everyone to double tap or double click your live stream. Okay. So what else? What else do we need to learn today? Are you guys coming with me, or my voice is so low? Are you guys with me, or my voice is so low? If my voice is so low, let me know, guys. I don't want to shout. Yeah, I just want to be talking to you guys, okay? I just want to be talking to you, my beautiful people. So, the characteristics of you creating a niche is very great. Another one I was saying, I have already talked about title, thumbnail, right? Another one is title video like never before. Yes, when you title your video to attract the customer, yeah, because we are here hustling, right? We are hustling, we are in the market, we are in the marketplace trying to find our main target audience. So your duty is to give a good title. That's number 5. Give a good title. Have time for the title. See, sometimes there's something that most of content creators do, that they shoot the video first, they did the video first, they upload the video, then later they think about creating a title out of it, then creating a thumbnail out of it. No! If you really want to stick on that particular idea that come in your mind, first thing first you need to do is creating a video title, and that title will give you the outcome inside your video. Example, I will come up with the idea that how to cook jollof rice. Now, I will have a picture, then put the thumbnail, then put the title. Now, my title is down. So when I put my title down, I will know the ingredient that I want to put inside the food I want to cook, right? So from that particular title, it will stick. Then, when you are done doing that, you're done cooking, it's time to eat, you eat it, and then it's very nice. You know, everyone's like kind of, whoa, come on. What are the strategies this person cooked this food? You'll be wondering, how does this person cook the food? I want to know, how did this person cook the food? Why? Because she or he stick on the kind of title they want to kneel on their platform for that particular video. Okay, so that is very important. Your title, your title, your title. Your video title is very, very important, more than what you think, because your video title will speak everything. Okay, your video title will tell everything. Your video title will show whether you are doing right or not. So my beautiful people, take your title very serious. Think about the title first, then before you can create a video. Okay, that is what most of new content creators do. Okay, they forget to create content. They forget to create what is writing, you know. Then they just pursue and pursue and pursue what they don't need to pursue. Okay. Okay, so your title, are you guys with me? Your title is a clickable, is representable. Like example, people who do what they call it, news. They trick the title for you to have, you know, like kind of tempted to click that particular video because you want to check what is inside, what is the news is all about. Is it going to be something more beautiful, something like that? So your title, when you hook it, the viewers with your thumbnail, it is a time to you to earn their click view with your title. Am I saying? I'm with you guys. Now, when you mix your title, you mix your thumbnail, it's a hook to people who want to click your video, because when they see your thumbnail, it makes sense. When it's check the title makes sense. Then it's a hook for you to get their click video. So guys, I believe that you guys are really doing well. So, and the more click you have on your YouTube channel on that particular video, the more algorithm will carry it up. Yes, that is it. There is nothing called this is luck, this is this one, this is that one. No. Okay, when YouTube see how many people they are clicking that video, then they will push it out immediately. Let me show you an example. Okay, let me show you an example. I was on live stream on one of my channel. Now people join that channel, click and click. Before you know it, YouTube algorithm begin to publish it so fast. YouTube publish it so fast. Why? Because of how many people has a click on that particular video. It means that showing the algorithm that, come on, this video is so good. This video, many people need it. This video, there are many people want to watch about it. Bam. You will be able to, your video will be pushed and pushed and pushed. And that is how you build your channel as a new content creator. It's not easy. Yes, I know. I experienced that. It's not easy. But come on. Whatever you do in life, nothing is easy. Even to go for office, it's not easy. To walk in that your office, to sit down on that your chair in the office, it's not easy. So therefore, there's nothing is easy. Nothing you can just get in comfort of your home. No. Okay. So please work very well on your thumbnail, your title. Okay. Now we go to number 6. All right. Number 6 is posting video at the best time. Posting your video at the right time. I believe that there is a video which I did. You can find it up here. I'm going to link it. It's talking about why you don't have the right time to post, or you don't see that schedule time, how your viewers are online. Is because you don't have enough data. At least you should have 50 people daily that visit your channel. 50.